The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, pakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mawyong Rim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Midri berim ke sorka jelau ba polling do. Hakar Projek unailar araja pun rio. Ula bu jinggeli. Yag bepersha halo ka jingshina. Ya ke Shillong Ropeway Projek. Dak boong. Hakanu ke jaka. Hak perthai banong omdon ding haki jaka hill station. Lani ki jaka rilum. Ulong baga jingshina gani projek. Kadai hi tek kumlashna penwandur. Na ki Ropeway ki badan halum Alps jongkari Switzerland. Ulong ru baga tanat tourism klashim kya. Ya ke jingpin sungau ki bepersha. Bat baga jingpin klem. Ya ki ding kse halum Shillong. Kalong bit tek. Tangan ki badan kam na ka benta ka jingshna ya ka base but ya ki towers.
You see, no less personality than the President of India had come to lay the foundation stone of the Ropeway project. Do you think somebody occupying that high office would compromise the integrity of that office by randomly attending a program without ensuring whether the basic SOPs have been followed, environmental clearances have been obtained, and let's not forget, we already have Ropeway projects in hill stations, Uttarakhand, other hill stations of the country. At least 10 of them are already in existence. Is it possible that you will have hill stations with no trees? Where on earth would you find hill stations that have no trees at all? And let's also not forget that this project has been created and modeled on the Swiss model, meaning the Ropeway that you see in the Alps in Switzerland is exactly the model which the Shillong Ropeway project has been designed on. So with that kind of caliber, with that kind of technology which was applied while constructing the Ropeway project in the Alps, that same technology has been modeled for Shillong Ropeway project. I hope that I'm confident that the department would bear that in mind while executing the project. But when it comes to the question of felling of trees, as I said, it's only natural. Only the required number of trees for the creation of the towers, the base and the end towers, only those portions have been subjected to felling of trees. But apart from those, there is no basis to say that this would lead to further cutting of trees and denuding of the Shillong peak forests.
Ani kon, pihak boleh nak mentah support cyber. Di submit tu kau scholarship jumpi. Lazit mentah ke sini teh. Tang sama je kat lakon.
Kau mentah sampai.
Hoi tin kon.
Kamu nak duduk nang ni habis semua jurang.
Tapi nak menu kan.
Ba. Kong, long lek syang ah. Dia mau apply scholarship em. Dia lazim mentah sini sama je kat lakon.
Scholarship? Kata apa? Gini kena ni. Wan ni.
Kalah lip na level lagi.
Start tu je start dah. Tak.
Ni dah. Tempat kamu nak keluar. Ni ko boleh. Kau yang nak aku nak beli.
Yes, tolong. Yes, dong, Bang.
Boleh cuba mah.
Nakabenta jong kiway.
Cuba. The scholarship kidi ka paket mani ba ai ka sarkar hindi na kabulta junga ka scholarship kidi ka lawe junga kabli shibun chief minister scholarship scheme ka jingkar khu bat ka jingple lat iki beduk kom mga